everyone. In today's video, we will be doing question number 4 of exercise 1.1 from class 10th mathematics NCERT book. The question is, use Euclid's division lemma to show that the square of any positive integer is either of the form 3m or 3m plus 1 for some integer m. हमें ये शो करना है कि किसी भी पॉजिटिव इंटीजर का स्क्वायर 3m या फिर 3m plus 1 के फॉर्म में हो सकता है. Let's start the solution. Let a be any positive integer. हम a को कोई भी positive integer assume कर लेंगे and b is equals to 3. Why we have taken the value of b as 3? Because if we see 3m or 3m plus 1 carefully, we can derive that 3m and 3m plus 1 both are in the form of Euclid's division lemma, bq plus r and bq plus r. Here b is 3, q is m and r is 0, and in this b is 3, q is m and r is 1. So in both the cases b is 3. इसीलिए हमने b को 3 assume कर लिया है. Now according to Euclid's division lemma, a is equals to bq plus r such that r is less than b and greater than equals to 0. So if we put this lemma into question, the value of a will become, as we have taken b as 3, so it will become 3q plus r. अब इस क्वेश्चन में r की पॉसिबल वैल्यूज क्या क्या हो सकती हैं? Since the value of b is 3, तो remainder should always be less than 3 and greater than equals to 0. Therefore, the possible values of r could be 0, 1 and 2. 3 से छोटा and 0 से equal या बड़ा. So 3 से छोटा value is 2. That's why 0, 1 and 2. Now, when we will take remainder as 0, when remainder is 0, then the value of a will become, 3q plus 0. Since we have to show the square of any positive integer, so if we have taken a as any integer, we will do the squaring and we will do squaring both the sides. A will become a square and 3q plus 0 will become whole square. Since it is 0, so the answer will become, the value which we will get is a square is equals to 9q square. Now, let's take out 3 common out of 9q square. So we will be left with 3q square. Fine. Now we are left with 3q square. Let's assume 3q square is equals to m. Let 3q square is equals to m. So such that m is any integer. अगर हमने 3x square को m मान लिया such that m is any integer, then the value of a square will become 3m. Here the value of m was 3x square and we have substituted 3q square in place of m. So the value of a square has become 3m. Now in second case, if we will take remainder 1, what we will get when r is equals to 1? जब हम r m ले लेंगे तो a की वैल्यू क्या हो जाएगी? a will become 3q plus 1. On squaring we will get 3q plus 1 whole square. We will apply the formula of a plus b whole square here. As we can see here, a is 3q and b is 1. So the value of a square will be, we will expand it in the form of a plus b whole square. 9q will become, 3q will become 9q square. 6q, since it is 2ab, it will be 6q and here we will get 1. Now, again take out 3 as common out of these two values. When we will take out 3 as common, we will be left with 3q square plus 2q and outside bracket we will be left with 1. Let's move forward. Let's take the value of 3q square plus 2q is equals to m. Let us assume whole of this value which is inside the bracket as m, where m is some integer. Where m is some integer. Now see, in both the cases we have taken m as integer, but in both the cases the value of m is different since both are different cases. Then here the value of a square will be 3m plus 1. Got it? Now in third case, we will take remainder 2. When r is 2, the value of a will be, what will be the value of a? The value of a will be 3q plus 2. Now let's square. A square is equals to 3q plus 2 whole square. Expand it in the form of a plus b whole square. It will become a square, that is 9q square. B 2ab, that is 3 2s are 6, 6 2s are 12. Q plus square of 2 is 4. Let's expand the value of 4 which is given in the last in 2 form, that is 3 plus 1, and from this whole equation leaving 1 we will take 3 as common, so we will be left with 3q square plus 4q plus 1 and outside bracket 1. Okay, now again here we will be assuming 3q square plus 4q plus 1 is equals to m. In all three cases we have taken m as any integer, but the value of m in both all these three cases is different because the cases are different. Here the remainder was 0, here the remainder was 1, and here the remainder was 2. So the value of a square will become 3m plus 1. Now we have got from all three cases that the square of any positive integer is of the form 3m or 3m plus 1. So that's all was the solution. We will conclude whole of this solution by writing one more statement. That's why I am rubbing it. Therefore, the square of any positive integer is of the form 3m or 3m plus 1. 3m or 3m plus 1. That's all was the solution of this question. After this, in our next video, we will be doing the last question of exercise 1.1. If you liked my video, please do like, share, subscribe. Thank you.